Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Bright Future with Bhavisha. Today we will continue with the chapter number 1, The Wonderful World of Science of Class 6 of NCERT syllabus. So let's get started. In the last lecture we had learnt about how many branches of science are there. So there are three main branches of science, that are physics, chemistry and biology. But within these there are many sub branches. For example, botany, zoology, geology, meteorology, oceanography, environmental science, space science, computer science and medical science, etc. Here are some engaging questions and their answers which raise curiosity for science. Engaging questions that spark curiosity in science with answers. First, why is the sky blue? Answer: sunlight looks white, but it's made up of many colors. Blue light is scattered more by the air than other colors because it travels in shorter, smaller waves. That's why we see a sky blue. Second, can plants talk to each other? Answer: not like humans, but yes, plants release chemicals to warn nearby plants of danger, like insects, and even communicate through their roots with the help of fungi. Third, is it possible to live on Mars? Answer: not yet, but scientists are working on it. Mars has no breathable air and is extremely cold. But with advanced technology, one day humans may live there in specially built habitats. Fourth, why don't we fall off the earth if it's round? Answer: gravity pulls everything toward the center of the earth, so no matter where you are, upside down in Australia or on top of a mountain, you are always pulled down toward the planet. What would happen if the sun disappeared? Answer: Earth would go dark in about 8 minutes, temperatures would drop drastically, and life would struggle to survive. The sun's light and gravity are essential for life on Earth. Why do we need science in daily life? Answer: science is everywhere, from the electricity that powers your home to the soap you use. The weather forecast, cooking, medicine, smartphones all rely on science. We all are scientists. Explained with detailed examples. The idea behind we all are scientists is that science isn't just something done in laboratories. It's a way of thinking and solving problems which all of us do in daily life. We all observe, ask questions, experiment, predict, solve problems and learn from our experiences, just like scientists. Example 1. Fixing a broken remote. Situation: your TV remote suddenly stops working. What do you do like a scientist? Observation. You notice that pressing the buttons doesn't change the channels. Question: why is the remote not working? Hypothesis or guess: maybe the batteries are dead. Experiment: you replace the old batteries with the new ones. Result: the remote starts working again. Conclusion: the Example 2. Growing a plant at home. Situation. You plant a seed in a pot and want to see it grow faster. What you do like a scientist? Observation. You see the plant isn't growing well in the corner of your room. Question. Does a plant need more sunlight? Hypothesis. If I place the plant near the window, it will grow faster. Experiment. You move the plant to a sunny window and water it regularly. Result. After a few days, the plant begins to grow healthier and taller. Conclusion. Sunlight helps plants grow better. Scientific thinking used. Observation, experimentation, making predictions. Example 3. Baking a cake. Situation. You bake a cake but it turns out flat and hard. What you do like a scientist? Observation. The cake didn't rise. Question. What went wrong with my cake? Hypothesis. Maybe I forgot to add baking powder. Experiment. You try baking again, this time adding baking powder. Result. The cake rises and is soft and fluffy. Conclusion. Baking powder helps the cake rise. Scientific thinking used. Learning from mistakes. Changing one factor. Testing results. Thank you. I will be continuing with the next lecture.